Okay, out of all the installations we'll do in this series, this one is pretty straightforward and simple. Let's get started installing Ollama. Let's go to our search engine, and we're going to type in Ollama. The first two links are ones that you can use, but for the sake of this video, we're going to choose the first link up top here. You'll see the modules that you can download for Llama. We're just going to click download here, and then we're going to select the Linux installation. You can also install this on Windows. You can copy this line directly out of here and throw it inside of your Linux distro. So we're going to type it in just because I want to learn from memory or remember from memory here. So it's curl f lowercase s capital S L http:// ollama.com install sh pipe sh, and then let that rip. It's going to take a little bit to install. I want to say it's approximately 8 minutes for me to download and install, but I'm going to fast forward here, and then we'll work on installing some modules in your Linux distro. So that means your Llama and your DeepSeek and probably Mistral.
Trending fruits wine recipe in China. Orange wine, which is made from wine with extended skin contact, was
Y'all see that?
available in China
I
prior
want
to
that.
some other
I
recipes.
want it a lot.
However, its popularity has grown.
It's brew time. Time to make some beer. You want some? Yes. Now listen, before you word Nazis go telling me it's not beer, it's wine, get your facts straight, you don't know what you're doing, blah, 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 blah. I know what it is. I'm just being silly. Anyway, the Ollama deploy completed successfully, so we're going to go back to it, and then on the next video, I'm going to show you me starting that brew. Okay, so now we're going to start Ollama to make sure that everything's working right. It won't really spit out anything here, but if there's an error, it will. So my password needs to be entered. Okay, so there we go. There's that prompt. Okay, now I need to make sure everything is stopped as we start installing modules. So I need to check my syntax here because I think I forgot what I need to type in. So it should be, let's see, system or sudo systemctl, yep, disable Ollama. So we're going to disable it here. Good. All right, and then we're going to say sudo systemctl stop Ollama. Make sure it's stopped. And now I want to check my modules to see what I have installed. So docker exe -it Ollama list. I forgot one character in my syntax, so I'm going to go back up and try that again here. It's going to be docker exe -Ollama list, and see I have DeepSeek installed, 7 billion datasets, 4.7 gigabytes, 10 days ago. So now let's go ahead and install a new module. So I'm going to run docker exec t-it Ollama, and it should be pull llama 2 7b. Yep. Let's see if that, yep, oh man, okay, I did the same thing I did last time, except I added a T in here, so let's remove that T, and then try and run it again. And there we go. So now we're installing Llama 2 7b, that's 7 billion data sets. We're gonna let that run. And now we're going to install another module. So we're gonna press up on the keyboard and delete Llama 2 7b, and then type in Mistral 7b. And let that run here. Shouldn't take long. I'm going to fast forward here as well. And there we have it. We have 2 new modules installed. We have Llama 2, 7 billion datasets, and we have Mistral. And I want to say that's 7 billion datasets as well. I have not gone back to check. But that should conclude this video. And on the next video, what we'll do is show you how to install Open Web UI and then load in the datasets. Thank you.